Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm back with another August monthly niche idea video, and we're going to go over to our wheel of names in a few. We did our pre-K crew t-shirt earlier in the month, and now we have two more random niches to draw from. So if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell right over here to be notified every time that I release a new video. I'm going to go over to our wheel of names and we're going to go ahead and click to spin, and we have sunflower and college freshmen to choose from. What's it gonna be? All right, just in time for college to start back. Oh, woohoo, college freshmen. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and remove that while we're celebrating. And I think I want to do interior. I'm gonna go over to Pinterest and see if they have like a college planner interior that I can kind of like go off of, just because I'm not in college right now, or I don't wish to be in college right now. See, we have study planner. It's going to take us over to Etsy so we can kind of see what the girls and boys are doing nowadays. I was thinking like, you know, have the subject, thing like that, topics, what day of the week it is. I think I kind of know what I want to do. Something like a study planner, super cute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my elements, or is it my templates? So I'm going to look for something that says study planner. Boom. They be coming through for your girl. So here's a study planner here. There is a learning planner. Let's see what this study planner looks like. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Here we have a study planner. We have a date box. So I am going to reorganize this whole planner. I'm going to change some font sizes and things like that to make it to my liking. I'll probably even make this background like a light shade of gray. And we're gonna do, let's see how the white letters look. Too dull on the eye. So we're gonna do black. We're gonna change this font out. Let's see. And let's give us some texture. Let's see, it's probably like I figured it was what you would call it. I figured it was stuck in the capitalized format. So say position. Okay, so is that in the front or back? Maybe we can do this in white. Let's see. I'm always talking to myself, but I'm talking to you guys. So I want it to be black, so maybe I'll do the study in white. Ooh, that gives me a little school feel. Okay, so study planner. Probably gonna brighten up everything else into like white and black, just so it doesn't get drawn out. So I'm gonna do the days of the week in white. Like a light effect. I'm definitely going to take out this in the timetable. Don't want to delete the wrong thing. So take that out. This timetable out. So I'll just put, not today's subject, so I'll probably just put subject. But I want to make all of this black. And change the cursive, well, change the actual like word subject to that same font that I used, and make sure we make it lowercase and probably make that line white. Okay. Still got some of that timetable in there. This is when you have to like zoom in sometimes to get some stuff. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to make this a notes and change the font to this, lowercase it, and make it black. I'm going to make that line white and leave this as a freestanding section for notes instead of like having bullets. Okay, so I'm probably going to delete some of these lines because you really don't, like, once you put the subject of whatever that is, you don't need all that. Going to delete that. I'm going to keep the notes and doodles spot, but just because I think it'll be, because I doodle when I'm learning, so I think that is good for learning. Gonna turn that white. So leave the notes and doodles section. I like the deadlines, so I'm gonna move this up to where the subject is. Oops. Let's reverse that so I can get it all in one swipe here. Make that line black. Gonna change the font on this as well. Lowercase it and make that black. Then gonna make that line white. And then gonna make the lines to write on black. Okay, so we have the subject, we have deadlines, notes, which can go all the way over here. I'm not too keen on this whole section at all, but I want to put in like some notebooks or something. So like little doodles. So little graphics of notebooks and things. That also makes it fun. So that's a cute little notebook. So if it's not black, it's about to be black. I'm gonna put this down here. And we're gonna turn a little bit. Put pencil. Little cute graphics. So that's super cute. Make that smaller. Put that right there. And I do want a pencil, but I have to find the right one. School supplies, let's see. I love like black and white graphics, so don't mind me. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Let's see. Is that, oh. Love this as a background. So I think I'm gonna open this all the way up. And I'm gonna make it lighter. And then I'm gonna move it to the back. So I'm gonna light just so you can barely see it. And then we're gonna move it all the way to the back. Okay. So it just gives this light like effect to the paper. Okay, I like that. So that is, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you guys can see. So that is our cute little study planner interior. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I went from having an idea, going to Pinterest, kind of scoping out what they have already on Etsy. Then I looked for my template here on Canva, which they have, and I completely revamped the planner that they have, only using a few of the key element items. And then I completely reworked it and add my own flair to it. So that is your August niche idea. And we did a journal interior for college freshmen. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.